I'm opening start. Start the car, bro. Oh, what you doing, gang?
Get closer to this shit right here.
Are you ready, bro?
Yeah.
Chad, ready? Just spin one, you ready? Spin. Daddy ready? No, don't spin that, bro. Spin. How should you spin, bro? Everybody spin. Gay boy. I'm dragging it out. Oh, my bad. Fuck you. Oh, my bad. Damn. God damn. Alright. Point that way. Alright, bro, come here, bro. Wait. I'm lead you. Huh? Just do this way, bro.
Alright, wait, let me see.
You
about to leak it.
Leak what?
Your car, nigga.
Yeah, I'm gonna leak it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Hey! God, let me hurt. Yeah! Let bros. Let me. Oh, yo, watch out. Cloud Ben! Yo, look at him.
I don't see him.
Yeah! Damn, bro, let me up, you heard? Shit. Full, bro. I pay shit like full cash, bro. I got a streamer right now, bro. That shit made me broke, bro. Yeah! Top now. Tell me. Chill shit. Chill shit. New
Go ahead,
bro.
right here.
Lay me up. Oh, by the way, chat. Look at rims, bro. I got a big rims, but like this shit don't fit the car, so I can look. This is literally Kai's rim, bro. Shout out to Kai, bro. Post up, you heard? Yup. Yup. See, chat? One thing about grazing, bro. Grazing got you far in life, bro. Look what I graze. I graze a fucking super. Nah, you gotta show. Post my car, bro. My super here too, bro. Damn. This shit OT, buddy. Nah. I shitty on this car, bro. I got both of my dream car at 20 years old, bro. Look at this balls. Oh my god, now come here. Yo, Raya, we can drop the vlog, bro. Now come here. As we're gonna do, we're gonna fuck the car. How many strokes should we do? 10 strokes? How many should we do?
10.
10?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. Oh my god, nasty.
Lost value.
Now my names. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. I bet. Yup. Oh my god. Y'all gotta see this. Now put up. The really reason I choose this car. Put up this way, bro. Put up this way. I'm showing the interior, bro. This shit white. The real reason I choose this car. This shit is white, bro. Bro, look at the whole. Nice side. It's not white. It's like cream. Look at this shit, buddy. This shit OD, bro. We did it, bro. Nah, and look at that sunset, bro. And look back to me, bro. And look at the car, bro. We really made it, bro. We a bitch from Taiwan and from fucking 7-Eleven, and we really made it, bro. Damn, bro. That shit is so sexy. I got 2 dream car in my 20s. 2 on my dream car in 20s, bro. Damn, bro. This shit OD. Let me hold it. Fuck no. No. Too soon. Too soon, buddy. Bro said let me hold it. Hell nah. This shit costs too much to let you hold it, bro. Fuck. Nah. That cream is OD, right? Yo, pull up, bro. I got the really reason I choose this car. It's a cream. Like, look at the cream. It doesn't make a grown man want to come, bro. That shit's so sad. That shit's so sexy, bro. Look white. Like, this make a grown man come. No cap. Alright, bro. Yo, wait. Am I gonna invite to the damn bros group chat, bro? Call Fenton? Nah, I'm gonna go up here, bro. Can I borrow it? I'm spending a day helping you find this shit. Alright, Zeus, you can hold it for a day, bro. Chat, I'm gonna pull out the AMP game. I'm about to show Agent this shit, bro. Yo, hopping, bro.